All right, here we go. I'm going to call this Cricut for Dummies right here. Haha, get it? I'm in a group called Cricut for Dummies, Adult Themes Allowed. There's several admins, but this is going to be the first tutorial. I am going to teach y'all how to weld. It is very, very important to know how to weld your letters. If you can't weld your letters, you have no right selling or really giving as a gift because it don't look right. So I'm going to move this over. Make sure you can see everything. First thing I'm going to do is go to my text, and I am going to write with love always. Why? Because that just seems cute to do, right? So there's my words. I'm going to move it where y'all can see it, and now I'm going to turn it into a script font. I'm going to use a Cricut because some of you might not have certain ones downloaded. So boom. So I'm turning it into cursive. Now you may think that's how it's supposed to look, but it's not. See this right here? This is the space your letters. You could make them smaller so they touch, right? Now you see how right here is not. So I'm going to go to advanced right here, ungroup letters. All right. 1, 2, and I'm going to move them over. I use my keypad, so now they're touching. The easy way for this is go select all and then hit weld. Now I hear so many people talk about, but I did weld my letters. Well, of course you might think you've welded your letters because you could always hit the weld button, but unless they're touching, you didn't weld nothing. Now when you go to cut it, it will be in a single piece. It won't cut lines or any of that. And that, everyone, is how you weld your letters.